Good morning, neighbor. How are you? It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Good morning, Yusuf. In fact, it really is sunny and fresh. Amazing.
Yeah, certainly. I see you are ready to go to work. You don't work today.
Oh, sure. I have to work every day. Today, I have to arrive earlier than usual.
Oh, why is that? Is there any special reason? Or you just want to be more punctual?
No, no. What happens is that today I start new work schedule.
Oh, good for you. I'm asking you because I always see you leaving at 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I used to work from 8 to 5 p.m., but not anymore. It has changed now.
I always think your life is interesting. Can I know more about your daily routine?
Of course, it's not as interesting as you think, but I do a lot of things during the day.
I know. I always see you doing different things. What time do you usually wake up?
Well, I wake up at about 5 in the morning and then I meditate for 1 hour.
You know what? I never tried to meditate. It sounds like a little difficult for me.
Difficult? I don't think so. I think you should try. It can help you relax.
I will think about it. How many hours do you meditate?
Actually, it's just few minutes in every morning. It helps me focus on my things.
I see. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning and think about all I have to do that day.
We can say that is a type of meditation. There is not only a single way to do it.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for telling me. And what do you do after you meditate?
After that, I take a shower. It's usually a cold shower that wake me up and get ready.
Cold shower? Oh my god. Happily, it's not very cold these days.
Although it sounds painful, it isn't. You just need to get used to it.
Yeah, well, I don't usually take a shower in morning. I normally do it at night.
Oh, that's good too. I have tried a couple of times, but never worked for me.
As you said before, you just need to get used to it. At the beginning, it's very difficult.
Yeah, I see. Well, after taking a shower, I get dressed and cook my breakfast.
I didn't know you cook. Doesn't your wife make your breakfast in the morning?
No, because she leaves home earlier than me, so she doesn't have much time.
Oh, That's why I never see her leaving your home in the morning. I get it now.
Yeah. Okay, Yusuf, I have to leave now. I have some work at my home.
Okay, bye. See you soon.
See you.